Hi everyone, it's Christine from Guild Festival Theater. The Halloween season just happens to be my favorite time of year, so I couldn't wait to show you another craft. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a ghost garland. Today we're going to be creating our garlands out of paper. I'm going to use these festive coloring pages. You'll also need cardboard for tracing, scissors, tape, a pencil, and some string to hang your ghosts off of. We're going to start by tracing our ghost shape. Grab your pencil and cardboard and draw what you want your ghost to look like. Once you're happy with your ghost, grab your scissors and cut it out. Now that our cardboard template is ready, we can start tracing it onto the coloring pages. Grab your pencil and your template and start tracing out all of the ghosts you want to have on your garland. You can trace as little or as many ghosts as you like, but keep in mind, the more ghosts you trace, the longer your garland can be. Once you're happy with the number of ghosts you've traced, grab your scissors and cut them out. It's time to put everything together. Grab your string, tape, scissors, and of course, your ghosts. Unravel your string and place it in front of you. Before adding your first ghost, be sure to leave a little bit of extra string on the end so that it's easier to hang your garland. Then, grab a piece of tape, a ghost, turn it upside down, and tape the string to the back of your ghost. Repeat this process for each ghost that you cut out. Keep in mind that you'll want to have the ghosts about equal distance from each other. You could measure it out or use something as a reference, like I did with this piece of orange craft paper. Once all of your ghosts have been taped to your string, leave a little bit of extra string at the end, just like we did at the beginning, and then cut it. What I love about this craft is you can customize your garland with different shapes or materials. I made this one with ghosts and pumpkins. And there you have it. That's how you make a ghost garland. Thanks so much for watching. If you do decide to make your own ghost garland, be sure to post on social media and tag Guild Festival Theater. And if you enjoyed the video today, be sure to comment and leave a like. Thanks again for watching, and we hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye!